Hello everybody and all my German fans. So today we are having the best dental insurance in Germany. So if you are facing problems with your insurance or want to get yourself secured by medically and specifically in the dental terms, then we got a Autonova, which is going to be covering you about $7,200 a year euros dental cleaning, 100% treatment coverage, 70 to 80, 100% denture coverage, and then 70 to 100% diagnostic coverage. So this is really great. So we have a monthly charge for 8.80, and this is gonna be covering you all these features. But if you do get anesthesia, it is not going to be covering in this. So I do recommend this because if you are looking for something with anesthesia, you can go with Feather. It does have 70 to 100% anesthesia covered as well. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.